Hello, how are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome to this fourth and last part of our Princess Jazmín. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make hair shoes. We will also use this shoes design for other of our princesses. So if you are here for that reason, remember to use the yarn color that I indicate for each princess. Then welcome to, and you may want to do Jazmín. So let's start. We will use for Jazmín's shoes aqua color. And we will start round 1 with 4 chain. When we already have 4 chains, we will start in the second chain with 2 single crochet. 1 in this chain. Also, you can put some marker here because here we will make the second triple increase. Then the second single crochet. And now 1 triple increase. 3 single crochet together in the same place. 1, 2, and 3. Now we will repeat the same on this side. 2 single crochet. 1. And in the next point, 2 single crochet, and now 1 triple increase. Remember here, 1, 2, and 3 single crochet together in the same place, and we finished this round with 10 points. Round 2, we will repeat 2 times, 2 single crochet and 3 increase, and we will finish this round with 16 points. 1 single crochet, 2, and now 3 increase. 2 single crochet together in the same place. We already have 1 increase. 2, and 3, and we will repeat 2 single crochet and 3 increase one more time. Round 3, we will repeat 2 times, 2 single crochet and 6 increase, and we will finish this round with 28 points. 1 single crochet, 2, and now 6 increase, 1 increase, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we will repeat the same 2 single crochet and 6 increase one more time. Round 4, we will make 28 single crochet, taking only the back loops. One single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet until the end of this round. Round 5 to 8, we will make 28 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet until the end of this round and the same until round 8. Round 9, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Now 6 decrease, 1 decrease, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 14 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 single crochet, and we already finished this round with 22 points. Round 10, we will make 10 slip stitch. One slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now 12 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We finished this round with 22 points. We can cut the yarn and we will close with a wool needle. You can see how I do it. And now secure the yarn and hide it. Then let's put the shoes. You need to make this and now it's ready. We already finished our Princess Jazmín. I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, don't forget to give me a like and your comment, I really appreciate it. We will continue making princesses. If you are not yet part of this beautiful community, I invite you to subscribe and activate the bell so that you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Until next time, bye bye!